Solve each equation by graphing. Verify your answers algebraically. Negative 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. We have here part A is solve algebraically, but the instructions say for us to graph first and then verify our answers algebraically. So let's start with section B. Find the related function. How do you find the related function? Well, here is our linear equation. To find the related function, we simply replace the 0 with f of x. Let's do that here. F of x is equal to negative 2x plus 6. Now that we have our related function, we can make a table. We're going to choose values for x, and let's go ahead and choose 0, and let's choose 3. F of x will be equal to f of 0 is equal to negative 2 parentheses 0 plus 6. What am I doing here? I'm taking my x, which is 0, and I'm replacing my related function x value with the 0. So we have negative 2 times 0 plus 6. If we perform this calculation and solve for f of 0, or f of x, we will get 6. Which means that our ordered pair is 0, 6. Let's do the same for x is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to negative 2 times 3 plus 6. What did I do? I replaced x in the related function with 3. Now if we multiply out negative 2 times 3, we get negative 6 plus 6, which is 0. Let's use our x value and our f of x value to write down our ordered pair, 3, 0. Now that we have 2 points, we can graph the related function. 0, 6, 3, 0, and we can draw our line. According to this graph, what is our root? Well, our root, or our solution, is where the graph crosses the x-axis. Our 0, our root, our solution, is the x-intercept. And what is the x-intercept? It is where the graph crosses the x-axis. And we're looking at our graph, and it's crossing our x-axis right here at 3. So let's go ahead and double check that algebraically. How do we do that? We start with our linear equation, and we solve for x. We need to move our 6 to the other side of the equal sign. So I'm subtracting 6 and subtracting 6. That leaves me with negative 2x is equal to negative 6. I divide both sides of the equal sign by negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. Positive 1 times x. That is x is equal to negative divided by a negative is positive. 6 divided by 2 is 3. X is equal to positive 3. So solving algebraically leads us to the solution. X is equal to 3. Finding the related function, making a table, graphing, and finding the x-intercept also leads us to the solution 3. So I am going to put my root is the number 3.